So you can go into detail by looking at example. So let me go to the example first. Example number 1 first. The owner start a new business with cash RM 1000. So you can see the point here. Owner start a new business with cash. So that means the owner put money 1000 into the company. So for this example, right, you can see the asset will increase RM 1000. Okay. So at the same time also the equity also will increase RM 1000 under the terms of capital. So from this transaction we can see that an increase in asset will increase or result increase in equity also. So we go to the second example. The owner withdraw RM 100 cash from the business for his own use. Pemilik telah mengeluarkan RM 100 untuk daripada perniagaan untuk kegunaan sendiri. So the key point, the owner withdrawing RM 100 cash. So when the owner withdraw RM 100 cash, that means the cash will out, right? So we have to minus from the asset part 100 under the item of cash. So at the same time, the equity part, we have to minus 100 ringgit also under the title drawings. So from this transaction, we can see that a decrease in asset will decrease in equity also. So let me go to the example number 3. So you look at the example number 3. Receive RM 3000 cash from Maybank for business loan. So now we receive money, 3000 cash. Now what happened? So I believe you can look at the asset part. Under the item of cash will increase RM 3000. Alright. And this will follow by liability also increase 3000, RM 3000 under the item of bank loan. So come again, you can see that an increase in asset will resulting increase in liability also. So we look at the example number 4 now. So the business pay loan RM 100 with cash. So what happened when we pay loan with cash? The money will out, right? So that means under the asset, under item cash, we have to minus RM 100. And in the liability part, we have to minus RM 100 under the item of loan. So from this transaction, we can see that a decrease in asset will result a decrease in liability. So let's go to the example number 5. Business perform a service on credit RM 2000 for YY agency. So come again, the business perform a service. So we give a services on credit term. So when we give on credit term secara hutang, our asset will increase for RM 2000 under the item of account receivable, account belum terima. And at the same time, we can see the equity part also will increase RM 2000 under the item of service revenue. So for this transaction, we can see that an increase in asset will also result increase in equity. So I think this is going to be the final example. Business pay RM 290 for utility expenses. So we are paying 290 RM, right? So when you pay RM 290, our money out. So what happened? So we can see the cash will minus RM 290, and at the same time the equity part under the utility expense will minus also RM 290. So from this transaction, we can conclude that a decrease in asset will decrease in equity,